small scale mining. Watch it show mo.
Ebusuya yema okaba biom asade abaga na nsem TV so edi am jeso any promise. Ebusuya yankosha video a John Dramani Mahama Ghana man penyini abra 2024 na obo ntoa se oba be Ghana man penyini no. Insam odi tudwa efa Galamsey ho ene insam okache Galamsey fo se oba obmo Amnesty. Yankosha video ne mbra na ewi a yebetwetwe nkomo.
Eya reho. Abai say equity Galamsey. Na Ghana ma small scale mining. Watch it show mo. What do you want to jina court? And the call prison. And then make us say, your man will be at that prison. Say Galamsey. And so you're watching China Niba. No Galamsey queen. Ono de mo afana anko jina court afana anko tum mo se on de onko ni krom ena mo jam free oko and so ya ma de omo de omo da efiase ezu ya ba omo chi omo Galamsey no omo atu omo mu ya be ma omo Amnesty no omo asaba.
Trust a year 20
NDC December 7th. The two of them, Emma Oman John Dramani Mahama, Emma President, Jumano,
Abusuya video yakoshe ye Ghana man penyini John Dramani Mahama 2024 abra na obontoa na kire se okọ eye region by region, constituency by constituency, especially no baby a Galamsey no ekoso yie pa ana ode to kromafo a omo ho no enim say NDC ba nipa na do dan kwakufo ado aban no achi omagum no ubeyi omo san say wo pe omo ye campaigns o Galamsey se wo no mudi mu etintini man a omo no ye galane pa de a na enye sankofo na ya chi omo ne mom no eye nkofo bi a omo no muti baabi na sankofo no omo ene wo say ya chi omo de tum eye China fo no sa na opese wo chiwe eno nti no sankofo a ya chi omo atum na omo da prison enam Galamsey nti no sankofo no ba omo nyina Amnesty no ma be fi aba be di omo yire ene omo kunumu ene omo namfofo omo maame ene omo papa mu eduane na sansami yen se mo kan ya eboa ma NDC se wo hwe Galamsey constituency sa na se constituency ya Galamsey ni gold e wo no na NDC ewi ni nyina we nyina ye nema ni bia eboa ye momede mutimi wi ni ye wo hwe beti se takwa dunkwa oni ade a chese busuya omo jeje sa asset nyina de free MPP fo nsem na we na afei eye enanu ukuade atwam na wotwe ya ye nuanom mo ne ye wofamo ye bra mpanifo Ghana aman mpanifo ministers ene asodias fo a chese omo motwe eye ewiam hyen no eye se omo kwa launch program bia na wato din se eye responsible eye mining na ekufo de kan launch dada and even community mining years back no omo sa course and komo sa kwa launch the same project no nyakopon amfefi a omo konya eye akwanhia e wo soro a nam so mai ye hwere eye ministers mienu ene ministers mienu ene e kan sen NDC vice chairman afei so no former PC edema oboase na afei so no Alhaji ono so ye national security deputy director ye hwere omo ene squadron leader ene order two military officers omo kan ho no we enam so ma some comments bi free NDC for bi by omo ka say Galamsey for ntina sa heroes enwotwi ahwere omo nkwa na eno na Ghana for say na mo president ya otiso ye na John Dramani Mahama ena okogina nsimpie so ka say nipa ya waso ko prison pa for Galamsey no enyo mo ya choma tum to bob mo Amnesty enti una odi Galamsey ye politics una odi Galamsey ye propaganda etwa ntro de kire Ghana fo se wo ba una wo ba ye Galamsey ni ye ende wo ba ye Galamsey no ati akensen irastu sa sorry donko ba Galamsey report don edidimu kan sen like ono that say odi mu ankasa a oti ma accurate information that say say ano mo na mo Galamsey ni pa, right? So if there are people to blame, it should be the president. Who share? There's other video. This guy, this guy, what's his name? Deputy organizer was a Bibisa. That guy who share the video knows me about Kanhu. Now on also Kanhu. So I say, you know, all promise Galamsey for nese masa. Yaba, mo be ye juma na ewu. Mo be yama mo ankasa, mo be bread na makasa. Oh, it money ya yama ya bread. So today, you know, say who will be blaming? It shouldn't be omo to mo baby na obehye omo bono. It should be mo nkofo na omo mo kwahye omo bo say ye be mama be ye adwuma no ne ye ba mo kura na ya chi mo amnesty na chese mo be fie. Those are the people that you have to blame, because you can't blame the Galamsayers no ye ne Galamsayers na wo no be share ne bono. Una be share ne una the Galamsayers politics. So Ghanaians are just pulling out receipts, more videos to tell you, say, bro, you did politics with everything in this country. Every single thing. What the politics here? Make I the end times, you know, 2 months to election, mo call demonstration, and mokita in Sue, and what say, we free river thing, we free river way, we free river way, we free river way, we free river way, all in the name of say. More catch the Ghana for say many tesono ene Galamsey. I remember say Sam George actually on the Twitter page say President Sam and another danko ku 40% of stop Galamsey. Obey me just 1 week 7 days after Galamsey. This and say is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the first gentleman of the land. Therefore 2 million na no eshenensa. And so person stop here. Obey me stop it within 1 week. So you said everything. Anything else worker, Emma Ghana for, I have a sympathy for you, no to Abama. You said it, and Ghanaians was like, bro, okay, fine. Yam got to Aban yeding, and farm. So what I say, Yam got to Aban and farm. And if you watch all these things that you people said, and today you are here trying to blame it on people, they don't have anything to do with it. They didn't make any mistake, and you won't somehow can and I'm could be away. Some Ghanaians are even saying, say, why do you go and relaunch a project or a program that has already been launched? Because in the actual sense, at now launching has what did I say? The thing has already been launched. So what's the essence for you going to launch the same thing again, the same set thing again? But I see that's Ghana for you. That is Ghana for you. And today, you are blaming the Galamsayers. It's very funny how some people think sometimes. It's very funny. But that's Ghana for you. The way you mistaken in person by accepting the mistakes on the year. Time be an try, say like, or find you be one, not the question. Whilst you know that it was your own, you know, the things that you said, your own negligence and everything that led to where we are today. Just accept the facts. Say, oh, yeah, you know, all these things, I understand that, you know, but bro, they will not do it. They will not. They will not. They will not. They will not do it. So you see, sometimes it's something that you need to understand. That you see, you can't do propaganda with everything, right? You can't do propaganda with everything. Sometimes you should understand the fact. They can't do propaganda with everything. So it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple that you can't do propaganda. Alright, Ebusuya Hanami Ghana and Sam TV. The best subscribe to the channel. You better was.